Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today, we're comparing the CORSAIR RM750x and the RM850e, two power supply units that promise efficiency and reliability. The RM750x, known for its ultra-quiet operation and robust build quality, is a favorite among PC builders who prioritize silence. On the other hand, the RM850e brings modern features like native ATX 3.1 compliance and a higher wattage, making it ideal for high-performance systems. We'll explore their differences in power output, fan technology, and overall compatibility with modern components. Let's get started. First, let's talk about power output. The RM750x provides a solid 750 watts, which is suitable for most mid-range builds. However, the RM850e steps it up with an 850-watt capacity, offering more headroom for high-performance components and overclocking. This makes the RM850e a better choice for users looking to future-proof their systems or those with power-hungry GPUs. Next, we examine the cooling technology. The RM750x features a 135mm magnetic levitation fan, renowned for its quiet operation and longevity. In contrast, the RM850e uses a 120mm rifle-bearing fan, which, while effective, may not match the ultra-quiet performance of the ML fan under low loads. This difference can be crucial for users who prioritize a silent computing experience. Finally, let's discuss compatibility. The RM750x adheres to the older ATX Standard, which may require adapters for the latest GPUs. Meanwhile, the RM850e is fully compliant with the new ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.1 standards, featuring a native 12 volts 2x6 connector. This makes the RM850e the more future-proof option for modern builds, ensuring seamless integration with the latest hardware. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM750x and RM850e offer excellent performance and reliability, but they cater to different needs. If you prioritize silence and longevity, the RM750x is a fantastic choice. However, if you need more power and modern compatibility, the RM850e is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.